Alright fellas, you looking to get rid of bar pins? Take one of these bad boys, you cut it off, put it in your vise, yank it out of your shock, throw it in the trash. Next step, get your frame side of your sway bar disconnect, put the pointy end in, socket on this side, sleeve for your bar pin eliminator on this side, put it in the vise, let her eat. Then go ahead, switch your socket because you're going to bottom out. So you gotta switch your socket to a deep well, let her eat. Now once your sleeve bottoms out, it's gonna push in just because you're rubber. So you'll get to something like this. So you'll take a bolt, big old hammer, just knock that bad boy clear. Get yourself a washer, put a washer on it, get a nut. Don't be like me, be able to thread a nut on it. Send her home with the rattly gun. Put on your sick new bar pin eliminator bracket. Install to your Jeep. Bye.